we'll talk about SparkPost API. So first you have to sign up with SparkPost API and purchase whichever is suitable for your business. In my case, I have already purchased, so this is the interface. So I'm just putting the domain. Make sure, as you can see, it's telling me to put a subdomain. So I will just put mail.noraz.com. I have put. So I got the records, all the technical records. Same what we did in the last videos. Same, we have to just go to the DNS editor and let's put the TST records first. So let me copy this, put over here. Okay, so once it's done, let me put the value. Yeah, I think it's done. Yeah, it's created successfully. Then let me put the other values which comes under CNAME type. Okay, let me copy the host name, which is mail.noraz.com. We'll just copy the mail, then the value, we'll copy the value. Okay, let me add. Okay, so it's created successfully. Let me verify now. Okay, so the verification is successful. So now the other step is, let me create the API keys. API key name, let's name that as landing email with Noraz, because we are putting everything under this domain, right? So yeah, API permissions will put as all, and we will verify. We got the API key, which will copy it. I always recommend you to save that. Okay, we'll go to landing email, create new server, and select on SparkPost API. This is the one. Don't select something else, guys. Make sure you watch the video properly. And we'll select the hostname as SparkPost Global, and we'll put the API key, and we'll just click on save. See guys, it's done. So even the SparkPost API SMTP is ready to send emails. As you can see, it's as simple as this. So let me just show you the SparkPost pricing, which I missed in the starting of video because I had already created this. So let me just show you the pricing. Okay, I will click over here. See guys, 500 emails are free, 50,000 emails for just $20, which I think it's quite cheaper and affordable. Even the SparkPost mail is so good because it has a good deliverability. So that's it for the today's video, guys. Thank you.